So you'll have to overlook us. It's hot, humid, or more humid than anything. We didn't sleep last night. The day we got down here, we were busy trying to chase water. So this is an update onto what's going on.
Show them
These are the towels that we've ruined. The rugs. There's probably about 20 towels out there. They're just layered right now to get them out because it was starting to smell in here. But have to overlook the mess. The insurance adjuster came, and the half of the house, that's a double wide as you can see. The half is total. The floors, the walls. So here's what it is. It's going to be, we're going to start probably here, he said. I think we're going to do this bathroom in here. There's a linen closet here. My bathroom, I just remodeled too. I'm so upset. I just remodeled this bathroom all by myself last year. More bath towels. Through here. What'd you say?
all by yourself.
I did a lot. My curio is ruined. Kitchen table and chairs are ruined. These floors are going to have to be replaced. The subfloor, we're going to put linoleum down. All the kitchen cabinets. And right now is when the water really starts getting bad. The kitchen cabinets there. You can see the spray. Here. That's sand. There. You can see where it busted. There, there, and down there. You can see all the cabinet is warped. This drawer had all of my dish rags and dish towels. They are wet. And as you can see, the drawer does not slide. You can see how these drawers are buckled. And they're warped. They're gone. This is a patch on the floor we had to fix. As you can see, the plywood is held up nicely. On the other hand, the particle board is gone. And this is the back utility room. Everything in here is totaled. Actually, this is a little weak right here. When you step here, gotta be careful back here. When you step here, the floor is really, really weak. You have to be careful. I think the washer and dryer is going to be okay. We did not start the washer, so we're just going to pull it out and go from there. So, and up into here, all up into here is saturated with water. Behind the couch here, a couple feet is saturated with water. The closet in here, hot water heater is blown. You can see the water on the walls. All of Daryl's tax documents and logbooks are ruined. His Jeff Gordon stuff is ruined. The master bathroom is a total loss. Everything, and you can even see it. I hate walking on this stuff. The sink, you can see where it blew out too, up under there, right there. The whole thing. The tub, and behind this tub here, this wall on the outside is the outside spigot, and it blew. I heard it blow. So the whole thing, the shower, the drain in it is blue. See the toilet paper. We didn't touch anything until the insurance adjuster got here and out into here. The odd thing is, when he got here today, I asked him if he had one of those meters that measures moisture. he came all the way out to here. I think it was right here. And remember that spot? From here, about 3.5 feet from 3.5 feet from this wall, and probably about, I'll turn them sideways, 9-10 feet from the bathroom. It's even saturated all the way over here. We didn't know that. So right now, you got to about 76 today. And we're getting ready to move the kitchen table and chairs. I'm wore out. I'm tired. So I called the water company yesterday, and she said that on Monday at 2 p.m. they tried to call us to let us know we had a water break, and they didn't have a current phone number on file. So they couldn't get in touch with us. So she said between, must have been about Sunday, wasn't it, when it started. So from Sunday until we got down here Tuesday and turned the water off, 36,000 gallons of water came out of these water lines. And it's just been a headache. I mean, the insurance guy came today and said that they won't fix what caused it, which I was like, you got to be kidding me. But they will cover what damage has been done. So we have reached out to some people to see if, to get some estimates and stuff. We got to pick up a couple people coming tomorrow. I had a couple message me about a GoFundMe. Do not do anything like that for us. We do not need it. That's the reason why we have insurance. And if the insurance company doesn't come across, then Daryl's going to call Diatech and say, come get it. It's not worth the headache. So, I mean, you pay $200 a month for homeowners insurance, and, you know, this is what it should be used for. So, the smell of rotting carpet is very bad. We're having to use his brother's house to take a shower. A huge shout out to his brother, his middle brother. He's really saving us there. Everybody has reached out to us to help. I mean, the only thing that we can do now is just start gutting the house. I mean, that's basically what the insurance adjuster said today. The whole half of this house over here is going to have to be gutted. I mean, we thought we was going to get the few months to come down here and clean up around the outside of the house and just do some relaxing. Well, that's not going to happen. So we got our hands full, but it is what it is. We can dwell on it all we want, but now we got to figure out what needs to be done and move forward with it. So we're supposed to hear something from the insurance guy next week. Is supposed to send us an email letting us know what they're going to cover, how much they're going to cover. So then we've got to, I've got two guys coming tomorrow to give estimates, and I don't know, my mind's going in 500 circles right now trying to figure all this out, but no sleep, and then having to sit here and smell this carpet all day today, it's no fun, and it's humid as hell, too. I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong, Mother Nature. But for now, if we're not online or uploading vlogs, we apologize, but right now we've got our hands full, and more than full. We appreciate everyone's help. We've been getting a lot of messages and phone calls and text messages showing us support. We really appreciate it. This just caught us off guard. We didn't think that this would happen. And when we got here and when Daryl came in, he said there was already standing water in the kitchen, but all of the plumbing is on that side of the house, so all the plumbing on that side of the house is just blown. Plus we have electrical issues also. What did you say was tripped in the other bathroom?
The breaker.
the breaker in the other bathroom is tripped, and neither electric outlet in either bathroom works. So it's got to be some kind of water there also. So we do have electricity, we do have heat, we do have somewhere to sleep, so that's a good thing. We started once to pack our bags and come back to Virginia, but we can't. This has got to be fixed now. So we don't know how long we're going to be down here at this point. If they come back and total the house, I think we're just going to put everything in storage and just go back to Virginia, chill out, and then come back down here and deal with it. So I hope that's not the what's going to happen. But I think before we do that, we take a bunch of the stuff to the auction house that we have. It's just not worth it. I mean, it can be replaced. A house can be replaced, but your happiness can't. And I know a lot of people say, well, it must be nice having 2 homes. Let me be the first to tell you, this is the headache. This is the reality of dealing with 2 homes. It is always something. It is nice to go between the 2 and be able to do the things we do. But when it comes to this, like stuff like this, it's always something. Whether it's a refrigerator or a stove or an insurance claim or damage or something has happened, it's always a headache. It's always twice the headache. So a lot of y'all have messages and said that y'all have missed us, but I just wanted to give y'all an update and let y'all know what's going on. We've been getting some really good support of the ones that knows what's going on. The ones that does not know what's going on, this is what's happening right now. So luckily we did get internet back today, and I got the satellite receiver working, so that is a good thing. We'll be able to get on live stream now. But as far as uploading any type of vlogs or anything, if we do anything, it's going to be the destruction and then the building back of the inside of the house. So that is if they don't total it. So we'll have to see. I'm holding my breath to see how much they're going to write on it, and then we're going to kind of weigh our options. Is it to fix it or just go ahead and, what'd you say, get the finance company come and get it? Or let the finance company come and get it. I mean, that's one good benefit of a mobile home. At least when you don't want it, you tell them come and get it. So Daryl did mention something about going and, you know, depending on how much money they are going to do on it, and possibly going and getting a small camper or a little 2-bedroom, 1-bath, single wide and put in here. So we're going to have to wait. We don't know. We're supposed to hear the middle of next week what they're going to do. I'm kind of on pins and needles. I'm the type of person that I want to know then and that very second. I have no patience at all. So that's it for now. It's just a bad situation. I mean, we hate to lean on others to ask for help. And even using his brother's shower, I feel terrible by doing something like that. But it could be worse, I guess, right? But for now, that's all that I have. I'm going to get in here tomorrow and start tearing this carpet up and taking it outside. And it's just, I mean, we just got so much stuff. It's totaled. I mean, my corner cabinet I love so much is gone. I mean, it's too saturated with water. Everything that, all the wood has been touched by water is just swelling and just a mucky mess now. And so get you some heat tape and put it on your water lines. I mean, that wasn't the problem here, but get it. And I don't care where you live. Oh, it's never going to get cold here. It can get cold enough to where it does damage, and this is water damage here. I've never had a home with water damage. This is, well, my house had a leaking roof, leaking ceiling, but I put a brand new roof on the whole thing. Just the ceiling in that bathroom's got to be replaced. But if you don't see us online, or we don't put any new vlogs up, or especially, we'll be online probably, but putting new vlogs up are going to be very few and far in between for the next month or so. If we do put any up, it's either going to be picture slideshows or little short clips of us and or the guys starting to gut and rebuild the inside of the house. That is, if they don't total it, or if the amount that they're going to pay us exceeds the amount of what's owed on the house. We don't have very much left to pay on it, so we're going to wait until then to see exactly what we're going to do. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all so very much for the support. It means a lot to us. Kind of makes you feel like you're starting over in life, was what it feels like in a sense. But thank you for the support. We got some really, really good friends, some awesome support, but for now we're just going to chill out for the evening and get a little bit of relaxing. Thank y'all for watching.